What if I told you Google Gemini can help you create stories that actually make money? In this video, I'll show you how to use Gemini's story feature to write, illustrate, and even monetize your own storybooks, all for free. Whether you want to sell ebooks, make YouTube story videos, or publish children's books, you're about to see how to turn this AI tool into income. Let's start by visiting gemini.google.com. Gemini isn't just for productivity. It can also create full storylines with emotion, structure, and vivid imagery. Watch this. I'll ask Gemini to create a short children's story about a curious monkey who learns to share. In seconds, it gives me a full story with a title, characters, and moral, perfect for a kid's book.
Now that we've got a storybook and visuals, here's where the money part comes in. You can upload your story to Amazon KDP and publish it as a children's ebook for free. Or turn it into an animated YouTube story video using simple slides and AI narration. You can even sell illustrated story PDFs on Etsy as digital downloads. Gemini gives you endless creative content. All you need to do is package and publish it.
Let's do one more practical example, a short story for YouTube Shorts. I'll ask Gemini to write a motivational piece for young adults. Notice how it automatically writes something inspiring with a shareable message.
Motivational story
This
for
kind of
young
content
adults about
performs
never giving
really
an
well on
inspiring
YouTube and
tone,
TikTok.
suitable for a
It's
YouTube short.
emotional, and easily monetized.
Include a 3-sentence moral at the end.
The Architect of Tomorrow. Zephyr had a vision, a living, breathing glass dome, a beacon of green in the city's forgotten corner. It was called the Nexus. The first prototype was a beautiful mess, a geometry of metal and recycled panes that buckled under the first strong wind. Crash. "It's too ambitious, kid," said Alara, a former colleague who now ran the local coffee cart. "Cut your losses. Start smaller." Zephyr just smiled, wiping a smudge of dirt from their cheek. Failure wasn't a stop sign, it was a blueprint revision. They dove back into the work, spending weeks refining the joint mechanisms, testing new, lighter alloys, and recalculating every load-bearing point. Funding dried up. The city council meetings were a blur of polite, firm refusals. The stack of rejection letters grew taller than the initial design model. One evening, exhausted, Zephyr almost stopped. They picked up the last piece of their failed first model, a bent, iridescent shard of glass, and remembered why they started. The next day, they presented the refined plans one last time to a community group, not the city. This time, their passion, their persistence, was the only pitch they needed. Slowly, surely, brick by repurposed brick, the Nexus rose. It wasn't a fast build, but every joint was a testament to the days Zephyr refused to walk away. Years later, the green dome stood vibrant and full. Zephyr was still there, but now they were just one of the hands tending the garden they had fought so hard to grow.
You just saw how to create and monetize stories using Gemini. No experience, no paid tools. If this video gave you an idea for your own book or channel, imagine what's next. Subscribe to AI Tool Navigator, because next I'll show you how to turn Gemini stories into viral YouTube shorts that can actually generate daily income. Don't miss it. Your next side hustle might start with a single Gemini story.